Welcome to a quick tutorial video for Cyclexperience app. Let's start. So when you launch the app, you will see the red thumbnails in the beginning. And that page is identical to the page you will see when you click the all red button on the menu. So if I select one red, it will show the overview of the map, and with one finger you can move around and you can zoom in and out. And as you zoom in, yes, you can see further information for the details of the map and each element in it. And these markers are interactive markers. So when I click it, the pop-up will come up from the bottom, and you can expand it by clicking it or dragging it, and you can go to the website to check out further information. But still it shows the contact information and the image of the destination. And with two fingers on the screen, if you move them up, you will see the map in 3D view. So everything works in the same way. So you can still see the details, and you can still zoom in and out, rotating the map. And you have the usual location button on the right bottom corner. If you click it, the map will be relocated based on your current location. So I'm filming this in my room at the moment, and you will see the map on your hazard orientation. So it reacts to your movements, the direction of your travel, and if you move on, it will follow you. So on that view, still you can zoom in and out, and you can view that in 2D as well. Once you move the map with your one finger, zooming in and out, then the feature of heads up, the live camera view, is disabled, but you can reactivate it by clicking user location button on the bottom right corner again. Okay. So we've just covered the all red page. Then if you look at attractions page, this is a simple page showing all the attractions within the New Forest. So if I try one, it shows a nice image and a short description of the destination with contact information. And lastly, we're going to look at the bike hire page. So on the top you have the bike rental hub's address and book now button on it, and the bike list underneath. So if I click the button, it will be redirected to the Cyclexperience hire booking page. So you can book a bike here, and that was it. So that was the tutorial video for Cyclexperience app. Thanks for watching.